serving warm meals for hungry passengers at its boat.
Please remain seated with your hands on your feet and legs inside the boat at all times. Watch your children, watch your adults. Now, right over here, we got a pair of 2 cans. If you add 4 more, you'd get a 6-pack. My favorite thing. Their favorite sport is wrestling because only 2 can play. Now, we're in the rainforest now. Can everybody say, ooh? Can everybody say, ah? Can everybody say, Skipper Corey, you're the best? Skipper Corey, you're the best. Thanks, I know you guys are my favorite boat. Now, to my left-hand side, that is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. It used to be the Temple of the Forbidden Me, but they told me I was too conceited. Yeah, and bad grammar. Inside, famed archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones is still looking for his lost treasure. I'm not sure why when I'm obviously right here. Yeah, I thought about working there once. I just couldn't see my career in ruins. Oh, wow, those are the Himalayan tigers. Yeah, they can jump over 30 feet. We're 15 away, so they'll jump right over us. Like most of my joke. Now, I'm not sure what's up ahead, so keep your eyes open. I'm going to close sight. Oh, wow, folks, this is unheard of, a herd of elephants. Don't make it weird. Feel free to stare. They've all got their trunks on. If they didn't, that would be inappropriate. Now, that's Bertha. She's been in the shower way too long, if you ask me. I heard that's how you become an elephant. I wouldn't know though if I don't shower. Sorry. Yeah. Well, this is my favorite part of the cruise. You know, it's one of the most relaxing, least dangerous. We get to look at plants, bamboo. I really wouldn't bring you the real danger. Let's get closer. Yeah. I like danger. Now, these gorillas, they've got bananas. They've honestly taken over the camp. The one in the front called the top around here. The one in the back looking right back at us. They left my headlights on. And I mean, I'm supposed to believe because that car to turn over. Well, back up the front of the boat is the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Yeah, me right past the Slicer Falls. Don't worry about it now. Go over it later. So making banana noises because he's going to find you very appealing. But as like a banana, split. Now, I just turned down the Nile. You're welcome. I turned it down because it's too loud. This is the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe, you're simply in Disneyland. And that's an African bowl, but I know that comes from Africa now. They're known for their big tongues, big ears, great memories. I wish I had great. I forgot. Well, friends, we are entering the African Dome. Yeah. This is where we got the stripy horsies, the bearded horsies. Those tall things in the back are for sure trees. Now that stripy horsey over there is dead. rest in peace. I'm looking for my friend Skipper Felix. I haven't, oh, what are we pointing at? Oh no, he didn't listen on scale of boat, but he did learn one important lesson. Alright, I'll get their point across. In the end, that is. Oh, it's deer, look! You'll see a deer if you look over there. Hey, babe, can you please do me a favor and look in that corner over there? Yeah, that one. You'll see absolutely nothing. You're welcome. I get to tell you about hippopotami. When they wiggle their ears and blow bubbles, it means they're going to charge up. Don't worry, I only take cash. You're safe with me. I'm going to go ahead and scare the boy. Come here, ears. Oh, no, that didn't work. Oh, I guess I struck a stiff. Let's try that again. Hey, it worked. Yeah. They say my job's so easy a monkey could do it. So that I say, that's a chimpanzee named Carl. I tell you, the difference was a long tail. Yeah, anybody want to build that one top off? Now, up ahead, we got the two leopards of the jungle. They still give each other butterflies after all these years. The one up top, her name's Annette. She's quite a cat. Autumn magnifying glass. And those butterflies are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alrighty, friends, go ahead and make some noise for the wonderful, the spectacular eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Yeah, drink it in, boy, you'll sink it in. Now, ahead on my left, you know, friends, I hear this is a really good fishing spot. Did anybody bring a fishing pole? I'd like to catch a bite. No? Okay. Yeah. Well, that's the front side of the rock. It's my favorite rock. His name is Dwayne. Oh no, let's get out of here. Like his favorite rock, his name is Chris. Up ahead, friends, that's a python in the tree. I heard they can eat up to 500 pounds. I certainly find that hard to swallow. We are now coming up to Terrace Sam's Lost and Found gift shop where everything you lost is found and sold here. Hope you didn't lose any valuables because I will buy them. But it's not very say cheese. Don't worry, you won't get it. There's no film in there. He's in it for the exposure. Now that's Ellie the elephant. She's an African bull elephant. They're known for their big ears, big tusks, great memory. I wish I had great... I forgot. Alrighty, friends, go ahead and give yourselves a round of applause. You all survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. If you enjoyed your cruise, my name is Skipper Corey. If you didn't, my name's Samantha, and I work for the canoes. Out of all my cruises, you've been the most recent. Definitely one of them. Now, as we approach the dock, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times away from the dock. We wouldn't want it to get caught because that's what we call peer pressure. So everybody please raise your hands. Raise your hands! I thought I just taught you about peer pressure. Aww. Well, that's okay though. You know, there's a dock on my left, there's a dock on my right. If you put it together, it's a paradox that we're going into. Yeah. You know, we saw hippos, we saw lions, we saw giraffes, we most of all heard crickets, but that's okay. For those that laughed at my jokes, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And for those that didn't, thank you from the bottom of my heart for leaving on that dock. Are you guys ready for this? I've been waiting to say these words since the moment we've met.